2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Ah, there we go, the good microphone. Bloody hell. I hate Windows. 1, 2, 3. Was in Discord. Ah, there we go, the good. And it worked fine. Switched out. OBS, nope. Windows. No, your microphone is not the high definition audio device that I told you. Alright, there we go. Look at how bloody cool it is. I really like the blue and white. It's a really good, cool part. And then top cover. And the bottom is also lined out with the blue lining, so that should, if everything is connected in, should line up. See? So the lining lines up. And I was so busy before stream that I couldn't do the cutting and the presetting, so we're going to do that right now. But, oh boy. The lamp for St. Mortimer Rep Festival. I'm really excited about it. It's really cool. Now I need to do a head count because trying to set up a stream and that didn't work, so here we are. I am double checking I am live. Yes, right? I am live. I should be live. Yes, I'm live. But the microphone is always screwing up. That's alright, let's do an extra safety count because I don't need to cut much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then here we need to skip 3. But I didn't do that one, did I? I think I already cut the 3. That's this one.
The
So
Center for
1,
Stress
2, 3,
Management.
4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. Cool, yeah, okay, we already cut the 3, so we need to cut 6 more stripes of 7. And then we are good to go. We will count for that, so again, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. third one. With my big branch. Oh, I hope everyone is having a good day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am slowly going insane with only so many days until the event. The lamp is still technically not done. Like if I get it done tonight, I'm being very happy with it. And making all the things that I can make. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say this. It's 4. No, don't drop. It's 4. We get to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've not done a lamp build in a long time, so let's see how rusty I am. Because I assume I'm not that fast. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have all, and this is the only leftover you have. So if you have some fuck-ups or you get a bad wire, you have some leftovers and you can replace it because there is no soldering. So if one of the legs break, you have some spare parts, which is awesome because repairability, and actually if it breaks, it breaks. It should not. It's a safety thing. I just love that, just being able to do all that. Okay, so this one can be cut to 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 60. We don't need that one. We got this one over here. That's the 3. So these are the 2 ones that is just left over and not using. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 LEDs that you just cannot use because this one is too small and this one is too small. You can do soldering. If you want to do that, you do you, and you can save some stuff, but yeah, you can technically solder and snip one away and make an extra batch. So it works, but I'm making this project without soldering. So while repairing, you also don't have to solder. Right, now we need 18 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we got that. I got all the chips up and running. I need one of these. So we also need that one here. Oh, I feel so nervous. Oh, I feel so nervous. I don't know why. But we get there. We get there. So I didn't remember the trick, and I don't want to use the build guide because I need to remember this. Low is up. So high is down, low is up. That should be the case, because if you go in high, go up, and you can click this one in and do that. We have that system in place, should be fine. Okay, cool, yes. Okay, I'm gonna split half of them already and make the installation a little bit easier. So a little bit more pre-build time. But It makes things easier. 5 volt, 5 volt. And you just click them in. Okay, this is the first one that is hot. Okay. And this one goes up. Also double check the cables. To upload the code now. Get this one into. I need to upload the code of the chip. I forgot that. But I can do that at the end. But I want to do a little bit of safety check. But this is the first handle. So you set it up and then you can click them in. That is fine, but I need to upload the code immediately. And I forgot that. So use the WLED, get the cable in. Give me a small moment, I need to fix that. Yeah, I hope everyone is having a good day. I already said that, but I'm saying it twice. My day is going good, a little bit chaotic because like it's literally so many days left for SMRRF, and hopefully the lamp today will work in one good fell swoop, and I will be very happy. If that works, I'm excited. I need to check my phone because I don't know the correct Wi-Fi. WLED is installing, so we can test that one. And that Wi-Fi should on, yes, let's sign to that one. And this one. Alright, that's uploaded. Losing my slipper. Not good. So now we have that. We can disconnect it. We can plug in the board. It should be on one way. I had one with power, right? Only strip one. Okay, let's do that. This is also 12 volts. 12 volts, yes, and this one needs 12 volts. Yeah, 12 volts. I can wire strip this one. Let's do that now. Let's fix the headset to the correct side. Oh, okay, a little bit chaotic. I always try to set up streaming a little bit better, but I was in Discord with other people and I got a really good information flow, and then it got a little bit delayed with setting things up. And also, the Prusa is done switching, so I need to switch the colors. Timing, I walk by and it's like, oh, switch color. The Core 1 is really doing great. I'm keeping it open for installation, so if I miss something, I can print on Core 1 really fast. No, on the U1, I said Q1. So the U1 is great. That's how the whole lamp got created, and oh wow, it's really awesome. Like, if I do a full white print, that takes 22 hours, and with color, 2 colors only took 1 day and 4 or 5 hours. Which is bloody awesome. Don't want to lose it. And that's like 8 hours more for color changing, and that's it. That is pretty cool. That's really cool. Okay, we're gonna do mix here. So this one's gonna run out soon too, which is fine. Okay. Sorry, I'm not in screen because the cameras cannot go that far, and me just standing here doesn't work, so I need to switch the layer because the Core 1 doesn't have an index yet. So if I switch the colors for the marble, I need to manually do that. That takes a little bit of time. Well, we get there. And this one's gonna be good. Okay. Yes.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
And good to go. All right, let's focus back on the lamp. So I still have a printer running marble pieces, so I'm doing my best to crank out even more pieces than I can. It takes time. But now, when the lamp is running, I can start up the U1 with another set of printables. Rhetoric is not fully functional in the night because in the night it gets a little bit too cold, and the U1 and the Core 1 have a little bit enclosure, and the Rhetoric is just an open frame. So yeah, that one on the night break, so I can run that on the day. So I can do 2 extra runs, one on the Core 1 that runs 24/7 now, then the U1 can run 24/7 if I don't have other multicolor projects. So I can crank out 32. If I'm fully perfect, I can run 1, 2, 18, 3 times. So 6 times 9 already. No, wait. I can print 9 at the piece. I don't know. Maybe the U1 can print more. I'm not sure. Like, if I go out from 9, I didn't check it yet. So if I have 2 times 9 every 7 hours, I can print 3 times 9. 6 times 9 is 65 pieces in a day. Now with the rhetoric, I'm gonna add to 60 pieces. That doesn't make sense. No, the rhetoric I can do special. So I can print around 50 to 60 pieces a day, extra. I have 5 days left if I have to play the plastic. I can crank out another 4 days, let's say 4, because you have downtime because sleep and sport, exercising, grocery shopping, other appointments, so you're gonna run out of time. But if it runs perfect, I can crank out 54 pieces a day, at least. Ooh, didn't even think about that. Oh man, I now have an extra printer, so that just doubles it up. Ooh, fancy. Yeah. All right. Yeah. How did I drop? So that is awesome. Okay, that is pretty awesome. Okay, let's snip this one. And we need to get the wires out. That one almost free. Okay, now I can do this. There we go. Bit of more wire freedom. I think if I can do the snip correctly, then this is correct. This is good enough. Let's see if I can do it correctly. Cut space. That is good. A little bit of the wire. Oh, this camera also doesn't like it, huh? I will switch this one out to the front here so you guys can see it better. Alright. go. Okay. Now I need the flat screwdriver. Where is he? Oh, of course. There we go. Okay, found it. Just need to open it. So okay. Let's already switch things up for this camera. Let's make it small. Look, the new one. So cool. Like, I'm so happy that I got one now. I'm making progress on it. It's really cool testing wise. So. Let's put the cable stuck in here, so okay, and now my back is gonna kill me because I know what's gonna happen. Well, let's see, so we need this one. And to screw them out. That should be fine on the focus of the camera. This. Voltage is 1. A little bit finicky. Over there, so I can go up a little bit higher. Small wires are not fun. You should just make them. Okay, now that is on, so now we should be able already to plug it in and see if it works. Light on, and this is off, so this now has correct power, otherwise this would just directly smoked. So now we can see that the LED is on. And if I grab my phone and go to my correct Wi-Fi, then I can open WLED, and then we can change this one LED. And if I keep connecting it, then we can do more. Right? Yes. Connected without internet. I know. So yeah, see one on. That should be this one. change the LED, so we can do this. So it's fully connecting, and the colors are red, blue, green, cyan. Okay, the colors is correct, so I have to correct chipboard too. Nice. Yes, I have ordered SK chipsets and the WS chipsets. It's impossible to see which one is which one. So if you have incorrect color code, that means you're on the wrong chipset in the app. So that's the easiest way to spot it. But okay, this one is now connected. Now I need to rethink this one. So we got this one in. And we have this one. So we have one LED strip that just goes up, which is the one we attach. So we're gonna grab one here and open it up, and then we can connect the other piece to the LED strip, and we should be able to make them all connected. So this one is gonna go 5 volts to this. Why is this so impossible now? There we go. So now this one is connected, and we need to wash the wires a little bit. Then we can go to the front one and connect this one up. And that should... Yeah, my nails are too short, so this is freaking logic. So 5 volts in, ground in, check. So let's see. So it's going over, so let's get that lippy down. Plug it in. Got this one and this one working. So as long as that works, we can keep chaining, and I can keep checking the power and keep checking and keep checking. And that's slowly how you build a lamp up. That's the cool part. That's for me the exciting part of doing all this. But now we're just gonna plug in the LED strips. Well, at least make systems like this, because we can preset this. So this one you plug them in at the same time, then you connect this one to the last one, next one to the next one, and that just keeps going. So the first one I just made will plug in here, and then a small cable on the top, then you put this one at the same time. You can keep chaining. And it is a lot easier installing than just do it one by one. So this makes things a lot easier. Sounds cynical, but yes. And you need to check how, because that goes back and down, and you shove them in like that. Also, we still have some supports here, which very easy support, and the bridging went really great. Like, I always make my own supports because one, a lot easier, and I know that it's gonna work. Get very nice supports. Like I'm happy with it. Like it's good straight, so less waste, and that's what I like. These ones can be gone, so let's put them away, and let's focus on the good part. Oh yeah. This is the waste, or the purge tower for switching the colors. And yes, I can make this smaller, but then it's gonna wobble more. And if it snaps in a one-day print, that is not the best. So I mean, this is all the purge. This is all the waste. That's it. and everything else sits in the lamp, and 8 of these. This is the support list. I cannot complain. First of all, down, down. Now we're gonna repeat the same thing 8 times. Left down. Cable in. Down, 5 volts down. Always double check, because this is the scary part. If you fuck this up, you're gonna blow up a lot of LED strips. 5 volts are always going on red, and then you can plug them in. Then we can open this one. Alright, tip from a good person. Don't bite your nails. Don't do that. It's not smart, it hurts, and yeah, it doesn't help you. So this is when a little bit flips, so you can make a small bend there. And hopefully, most of the times, it gets under it. Yes. Just shove it in. That's the second one. That's that one. And 6 more times. First one is down. Correct color. Plug them in. And repeat the process. If I had a bit more time but things happened. Like, I wanted to do this part partially on stream for last year, but now we're doing them all, and I can see that one is going over again. So let's make that bend. There we go. In and out. Let's build it up. Almost double check. This one is out, red, yes. Electronics, always double check what you're doing. If you don't trust it, triple check. I see that this one is going to be a big problem. So, hey Ursel, how you doing? Yeah, it's the boring part, but I put a towel down because I don't want to scratch the lamp. I have triple washed my hands, and I'm not touching anything else until this part is done. If I touch my mouse, my keyboard, or something else, I'm gonna wash my hands again, because I don't want to get dirt on this lamp. I really don't want to get dirt on this lamp. I just really don't want to get dirt on this lamp. So I'm being extra careful, and it's a long time ago that I built a lamp, so this is a long time ago that I remember, like, holy shit, how the fuck did I do this again? But how are you doing, man? Yeah, there's one spot of blue in the white, but it's really hard to see, so I'm sad, but shit happens. Okay, ground 5 volts, double check. You already sent the stuff to me. Do you have a shipping code? Or did you send it without tracking? For the hot spicy stuff for 3D Musketeers. Cool. If you have it, can you send it to me so I can track it and transplace it to the depot that I wanted to? down, down. Yes. So if you can send me the code too, that will be great, because then I can put it in my tracking and I can actually live see it. Because sometimes it goes to my home. It should go directly to the pickup place, which is a lot more reliable than I am at home, because somehow they cannot track that. So the depot is great, because then I can pick it up on Thursday. If the tracking is for Wednesday, I can pick it up on Wednesday. Okay, that is in, and this is out. Cool. Nope. Oh, my head hurts, man. Damn it. Why is my head in pain? Sugar's going up. Okay, let's. All right. I just want to have this done. I really want to have this done. I'm scared that it's gonna fail. I'm so scared. I am literally scared. Oh. Scared. Okay, but we're gonna keep doing. I want to sell the lamps, but I don't want to build this every time. The moment I can sell more lamps, I just want to hire someone like, hey, build the lamps, have fun. Or I'm just gonna up the price so less people buy the lamp, so I have less buying. But if someone buys the lamp, I get more profit. Smart. Yeah. And yeah, if you get the point of building more lamps, smooth out the building process even more than I already did. Going down. That's your message, I hear. It's annoying that my phones don't go on D&D. I need to manually switch them to that. But at least my Windows. Wait. Oh, okay. I don't have my good mouse. Alright, let's see if this is better. Should be. Okay, this should be better. Yeah, this should be better. In and out. This should be better. It's always playing back and forth. I started up the stream and my microphone was just like, nope. I just came out of a Discord 10 minutes before and that was all working perfectly fine. Start the stream and Windows or OBS are like, nah, that's the wrong headset, have fun. And then it took me around a couple minutes to actually get it correctly on. Like, every time I click on the stream button, Windows is just like, nope, I'm gonna scramble your microphone. Have fun. Silly Windows. Okay, so I need to go louder. Oh, I need to go louder than this. So this one and this one a little bit. Okay, so I hope I'm not too loud now. So if you need to max me out, like you should be around 50%, then the level should be okay. And yeah, the microphone is at the same place as it always is, so that should not change a thing. At least I hope. Okay, if you ever need to max it out, like this is the setting I always have. So wait, am I louder now? Okay, it's definitely the microphone on my chest, because if I tap it, I really see it spike up. So it's not again somehow the camera. That's it. Because you're saying this right now, but this is the setting I had for the last 6 streams. So that's a bit weird. Of like, why now? But hopefully I'm better. Okay, yeah, like I cannot really go louder than this because I'm already at -1 decibel. So it's like I can push it a little bit if that is needed, but yeah, if the other people saying too loud, then it's your side. But it's a bit better. Like, do you think I need to do another increase? That's alright now. Okay, then we stick to this for now. Okay. Not getting anywhere. Okay. 2 more. Ow. And again, do not bite your nails. It hurts. Should not do it either, but I keep doing it anyway. My nails are now too short, so opening of those clips really hurts. That should be good. But yeah, you got your sauce done. Grant is also on the way. Joel from Polymaker should be on the way. Rob or Bob, the one that was with on the Discord with Dog, Dreamvoid, should be also on the way soonish. Those go Tuesday, yes. Everyone is traveling. Soonish, we're almost there. And this one should be that one. Ah, yeah. So, yeah, okay. that's the solo one, so I'm gonna put this one to the right. And now also got a special mark on the bottom, so that should line up. So see, that's really cool, right? It lines up. I like that. I like that small detail. And you have this one on the top. So this is the full lamp. That's pretty neat. It looks really cool. On the camera it looks really cool. I can see the details, so that sucks a little bit, but welcome to 3D printing. Nothing is perfect. But we can make things that CNC and all the other things cannot do. Yeah, like the difference of like doing this and this. Like this one also had a layer shift. So you can already see the small difference things, so... This one has less squish and a couple layer lines in perfectly, and this one is just smooth, which is awesome. Okay, now the back-breaking part, because this table is not built for this. Oh. Alright, I need to get the bottom out. There we go. Alright, starting line first. Down is up, up is down. So I'm gonna put the LED strip in, which is this one first. So up is down, yeah. Okay. This one goes over here. You can grab the cable a tiny bit, so we have this one up here. We're gonna put the board a little bit on the right side. And now we can attach this one. Ow, nails. 5 volts to ground, yes. We can put this one in here. No, I think it was this way. Yeah, this way. So, ground in there. There we go. Okay, so now we got this one in place. So we can move this one now down. Now we can put this one in, so hopefully I did the prints correctly. Yeah, that looks good. Cool. Then I can do that, so now I can go here, put this one a little bit to the outside so we can do a little bit bent. Then we can grab one of these that is up, so it goes down. So now we can grab those two, put those in at the same time. Oop, you have trouble. Nope. Why are you... Ooh. Ooh. I see a cable on. Sheesh. That should fix it. There we go. Okay. One string. So the bridging is... I thought the bridging was good, but not that good. But we're getting there. Come on. Go out. There we go. Cool. So now we can do this. Go here. So now we can pull this one out and this one out. Now we can open this one. There we go. So now we have voltage over here and ground over here. I'm gonna grab a light. Yes, I'm getting the light here. Cool. Okay. Let me grab a light. There we go. Okay. Okay, that is better. That is more light. Yep. I can see now. Okay, we can close this one.
Thanks to our station sponsor, the
Shove
Centre
it
for
back.
Stress Management, London.
Get the cable in. Grab this one now. And wreck my nails again. Ow. Don't bite your nails. Oh, wrong one. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's that one. So now we can clip in these two small ones. That should also be correct. Oh shit. Oh no, these ones are too tight. There we go. Click them in. Okay, these ones are really tight, so I'm gonna break my fingers on this. Okay, it still goes good. There we go. Bend this one to the inside. And now we can go to the bottom again. Now we need to go that direction. Because now I can clip this one down. Clip this one in location. Clip this one in. Cool. Now we can grab the top one. Do the same. That is that. So now we can bend this one to the inside, a little bit to the right. Oh, and we're gonna test, because I don't want to forget that. No, that's the wrong one. So let's see. Alright, that is all four working. Yeah, all three are working. Camera is really hard to pick up, so yeah, yeah, too much light. So if we put this one off, then you guys can see it too, but then I don't see anything. So like, I think putting this one off should be enough for next time. So yeah, this one needs to go off. This one can go on, and you can still see a little bit light. And because I need this light, and then now it's a little bit. Okay, I don't know what's going on because normally the cameras can actually see it. Okay, this one can see it, so something with the exposure on that one is wrong. Okay, let's do the top a little bit darker, I think. Normally it's here. Okay, so the top camera is a little bit darker, but then at least we can see the LEDs directly, and I don't have to blind myself because I do this. Then it will disappear, but I can turn off this lamp a lot easier than the other two, and then we can keep redoing that. Okay, nice. Good progress. All right, later, Ursulaman. Good luck. See you next time. I'm gonna keep going anyway. So let's put this one here. All right, let's get this one in. Grab the second batch. Going up, going down. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Another one. Jeez. Okay. Let's switch to this side now. There we go. Cool. Now we can install this one. And get the power in, get the power out. And let's switch the camera a little bit to the right. There we go. Okay. And let's switch that one. Okay, so with the light, that is good. Yeah. I'm happy. Okay. Install this one already. Cool. Let's check the LEDs. What? Oh, right. Yeah. But this is not correct. Oh, wait. 35. But this is an easy fix because it's not broken yet. Config, lab preference, because it's only giving out 30 length and I need 113. And skip. First, let's please save. There we go. Now they're on. Right. So let's, because they're not lined up, but I can see that this one is working, so I know that they're all working, so that should be fine. There we go. So we can turn it back again. Then we can line this one up perfectly. Let's get the back up. Let's grab the connection piece. Let's click it in. Oh, okay, that's not that bad. There we go. Yeah, this one didn't click that good. Okay, I'm gonna bend them to the outside because that's just easier than inside. And now we can plug it back in. And then you see that they're all working. Yeah, they're all working. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Okay, plug the next one in and repeat the process. Heck yeah, there we go. Yeah. Down, yes. Okay, this one's going up, yes. Why are you stuck? Oh. I don't see anything stuck, so... Oh, no, get here. Okay, so you can pass it. Why is this not working? Okay, sometimes it needs a little bit of help. But we got it. We got it. There we go. Cool, 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 cool. Five volts coming in. don't knick it. There we go. Cool. This one, need some space. Grab the cable. Yep, there we go. Alright, put some light on. Ground. Nope, wrong side. Cool. Plug it in. Let's see. That's on. Yes, everything's on. Cool. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's flip it back. Let's get this one in here again. Let's get it running. Because now I can do this. Do this. This in. Let's get this one already tidy up. Yep. Huh, that's where I want it. There we go. Oh, damn it. Completely wrong. Derp. Upside down. Cool. Cool, and let's click the toppies before I forget. Alright, so this one should be this one. There we go. And click in the next two. And we're making progress. Oh. Hey. Double check, going down, going up. Yes. Oh, got this one. Oh, one's not much enough. There we go. Got it. first position. Side again. There we go. That's better. First do power. Let's check if it's actually working. Ah, boo. That one's not working. Okay. This one is not working. Up, down, why is this one not working? Oh. Why are you not working? And it can also be in that one. Okay, derp. So that is this one and this one. Oh, that was not good. Okay, so oh, this one was not actually clicked in. Yeah, that's what. Okay, found it. Better now than late. Okay, let's fix this all up now. Yeah. No. There we go. Yeah, come on. Where are you? No, come on. is everything fixed up again? Yeah, now that cable is bad. This one we didn't do this one yet, and we didn't do this one yet. And I still need to connect this one before I forget. And ground. Okay, so now we're gonna depower because we're gonna touch power stuff. So let's depower down. There we go. Now it's clicked in. And now we can go to here. And put all this back. Yeah, repairability. That's why we do this. Nope, don't. There we go. Okay. Just a couple ones. There we go. Come on. Nope. No. There we go. Okay. Let's get you in now. Multi-stage. Oop. Yeah, shit. Oh, shit. I almost got eaten by the spool. See, this is why I still don't trust it, because this one was so clicked in that like it's really hard to get out. So 3D Jake, please fix that. Yeah, that's not good. I almost lost the whole thing because that's gonna choke up and yay. Yeah. That's not good. No. That was almost dangerous. Glad I was here and heard it. Okay. Let's finish up and continue. Let's make this a little bit to the outside so we have some cable, less cable madness here. So actually can get in. So going down, going up. Yeah, cool. Now it's this one over here. Now we can click that one in. There we go. There we go. And now we can grab this one in. Click that one in safely. Okay, let's bend it to the outside for now. Grab this plate. Hurry up. And we can do a power check. Oh, nope. Nope. Let's see. Cool. That's all working. There we go. Ground power. Yes. Oh, there we go. Now I can plug in those two. Click them in, and there we go. Okay, now I can go to this one and click them in. So now I can pull them back. Come on. What the hell? Nice. There we go. That was not the right angle. Cool. Two more, and then the end. Now, and my nails are really getting smaller even more. Well, let's bend them all to the outside again. Let's try to get space. Now it's getting tight, but we're almost there. Sorry, I'm not that talkative. Like, if you want to know something, please just ask. I will do my best to watch the chat, but this is decently focused stuff, so I sometimes forget that I need to watch the chat. So if I forget that, I cannot help it. I do my best. I do my best. Okay, there we go. There we go. I can go upside down. And do over there, grab the cables. And repeat the process. Like, it's a little bit boring, but I mean, for lamp install, I don't call this very intensive. It takes some time, but soldering takes longer and has, for me personally, more prone to mistakes. And this is a lot easier to check, because while doing this, I can just check technically with soldering too, but yeah, soldering takes more time. And I hear that the core one is run out of plastic, so I can grab new plastic. So after plugging in and checking this one, that one works. So let's turn off the lights and put on some cool rainbow. Back. Yeah, it's getting there. So we turn off this one too. Now we can see. That looks pretty cool. So, well, I'm gonna find new plastic. Yeah, find new plastic. Oh crap, this is my last spool for the funny stuff. Yeah. I have gray, white, that's 4 lamps, so I hopefully get a second lamp in. Yep, okay. Oh, I need to unload my red rig because that plastic is in the red rig. Whoops. Unload the red rig. Unload filament. Unload filament. Because this is the one I want to save. But look at it, man. It looks pretty freaking cool. Oh, that looks really... I really like the outline. Oh, blue is great. I want to use different colors. Oh, I really want to experiment with different colors. This pops it out like my normal lamps. And I will try to grab one that is actually... Let's put this over here for now. Let's put you over here. So I don't have a power plug, so I cannot turn it on. Well, like I wait, I should be able to do this. If this one is long enough, hopefully I can go over here. Can we reach it? Barely. Yeah, there we go. See? So oh yeah, that outline makes it awesome. Holy damn. I mean, I like this because you get a little bit color mixing, but this is more pure because it stops the full color bleeding. So this one is more pure, like, okay, I need to... Okay, that one didn't have a good bottom, so let's find the other waylet and let's also put it on rainbow. Rain. This is the same rainbow. Why is it different? Okay, wait. And the other lamp is disconnected. That's... Why is this lamp offline? Huh? Should just be working, right? Okay, there we go. Okay, we have both lamps. Web page not available. Oh, it's doing really weird now. Why is it doing so weird? So the moment I turned the other lamp on, it crashed. So if I disconnect it, what's gonna happen? Alright, let's double check. Okay, you are off. Now you're working again. Huh. Interesting. Okay, but yeah, a bit confused with that. But let's put this one away for now. And let's get a plug in. I should have those somewhere here. Yeah, I don't know where I got those, so let's put you over here, so it's not in the way. I can see the chat. Yes, okay, cool. Okay, let's turn on the lights again and keep building. Oh, yep. I'm forgetting my plastic. I'm distracted. Okay, we do it again. Okay. You should be unloading. This plastic is not having fun. Yeah. Okay, This plastic is not great. I'm not having fun with this. Yeah, I need to grab this. Jesus. What the fuck is going on here? This plastic is, I'm not happy with it. I probably have another clock in my trick. This plastic is not giving me great time. But it is what it is. It's still fancy colors. The color looks good. There we go. Filament swapping. Okay. Now I need my pin set. There we go. I'm happy that the lamp is looking really good. I'm excited. Is color correct? Yes. That's good. Okay, that should be working now. Now we can keep building the lamp. We're almost there. Sometimes you have printer problems. That happens. Yeah, it's all this. Okay. Where was I? This one is connected in, so now I can step up to this one. Oh, that's the end part. Ground out. Let's get the camera better in position, get the light working. It's just slightly better for me, because then I can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. Okay, we double checked all the lights. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now I can pull this one back. There we go. Come on, work with me. Okay, now I can grab this piece. Click that one in. Okay, click this one in. Those two are in. Make a bit of space there, and let's turn it back. Right, so I need to watch the cables here because this is not good. Yeah, this is not great. Should keep turning it. So. Yeah, okay. I need to put in the guide that you, every time you turn it, watch out that this cable is not being twisted. I can make something for that temporarily. I can make something temporarily for that. So there we go. This one was working. Okay. This one's not going correctly. What the hell? Oh, you should be. What the hell? I cannot get it in. Okay, this is not right. Cannot get it out. Oh, no, it's stuck already. Hello? Why are you not willing to go in, huh? You should be able to do that. Okay, you are going out. Why are you bugging out? Oh, it should be fine. Yeah, no idea. Okay, let's grab another one. Let's see if we can fit it somewhere else. Well, maybe it's in here. Oh, it's not in here either. Okay. See, that one clicks in. So something with that print didn't go correctly, but let's find out if this one goes a little bit easier in this place. This one, let's bend them all to the outside again. And let's see if this one clicks in here better. Okay, there we go. Clicked in. Right, one last one. Oof, we're almost there. Almost there! Okay, so that's the last one of these. Then we can put the bottom one there in directly, so we can do that too. Yes. And this is the hard part because the cables get in the way. It's not the best, but hey, it's working. This one up again. There we go. Oh, there we go. Ah, boo. Nope, you got it. Okay, let's connect the cable. Oh, no, camera. Please don't. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
You are listening to 24/7 London
5 volts
Radio.
in, yes. Last one, yes. Double check. There we go. Everything working. Alright, I should have put in the last one too. That's all. This is the hardest one to do. There's one maximum cable carnage. And there goes the last cable.
Had with all these things is that I was.
That is not the one I wanted. It stops my radio and then it enables another YouTube. Oh, my headset is so funky. Ground side, so let's see the other one. There we go. Ground to that one. And set this over there now. Cool. Spin the cable too much. There we go. There we go. Nice. hardest too. Just with all the cables, this is a mess. Come on, stop flipping. That's the bottom correct, so now we can fold it all to the inside. Cool. Now we can go to the top and do the last ones here correctly. Again, some problem, cable management. It's like a server rack, huh? Yeah. Nope. No. Cool. Okay, now the scary part, the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Now this part. You should be there. Okay, these ones should now click in. There we go, it's that one. Okay. That holds the board in place. And now put this one here, over the board. Now we just need 2 screws, which I have here. Surprise! Oh, I'm so happy that this part I have not tested. This is a one shot. This secures the cable, so if the thing gets yanked, it doesn't pull on the power part itself, which is the weakest part, and this should only pull here. And yeah, this is a tight-in screw. Takes some time. That one is now stuck. Cool. Okay, now this is the one part that I should have done better. Oh, camera. So, now we can pull this one in here, and this one should be able to go
sponsor,
here.
The Center for Stress Management, London.
Oh, no, okay, that's on the shoot. Let's be here. Okay, we can snip those two cables. Because those are not needed anymore. Saves a little bit of headache. Now I get there we go. We have the raffle lamp. Woohoo! Hallelujah! Now let's see if it actually works. I guess I didn't check the last trip. Full red. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Effect. Let's go. Ah, I like the rainbow. Holy shit. Okay, we have a very short cable. That sucks a little bit, but it's better than nothing. Let's get the turning table on so we can see all sides with one camera. That is pretty cool. Okay, let's put the lights off. Put this one off. That looks really cool. That is really freaking cool, right? Come on, tiny mouse. That is so cool. Oh, that is cool. That is so cool. Oh, I'm so glad it works. Oh my god, it works. Oh. They have both something, but the outline just makes the color more popping out. Like, holy crap. You don't want that one. This is cool. This is so cool. Like, okay, let's let preference. Awesome. Oh, my camera. Okay. Yeah, no, I the outline digs it. That the multi-material. Well, this is multicolor. This is just bloody awesome. This is really cool. Oh, this is 8. No, 16. 7 up, 16 white. This is wrong. 16 by 7. No, okay, definitely not. 7 by 16. Now I screw it up. Save. If we go to rainbow now, Okay, so we're puzzling it out right now. Top lamp should also go to rainbow. Okay, well, what is going on here? Bottom left vertical. Oh, bottom left vertical. Bottom left vertical 16. Bottom left. No. Huh? Bottom left vertical 7, but then it's 16 by 7. And if we search on rainbow, what? Okay. Alright, are you not working? Top is there. Let's get that off. Yeah. I'm confused. Oh no, okay, that's the same, Okay. Save. Go back to the other setting lamps, let's see, because we have that small tweak there, so 2D configuration. Yeah, because this should be 7 by... Oh, it's 16 by... No, 16 by 7. Save. And if we check it back, and we go back to rainbow again. Just the 2D. No. Okay, chase rainbow. Chase. Yeah, so I need to invert the 2D and go to the right side. So I went bottom to right, bottom to left. I need that one. Oh, no, oh, I'm the wrong one. Yeah, that was not the one I want. So this one needs to be still to the left. Save. And then I go to this one and say 2D configuration. Still cool though. Like, yeah. So the 2D, this one goes to left. Save. And then top lamp, effects, chase rainbow, and nope. And effects. This one goes to chase rainbow. This is awesome.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
I need to make a video of this. This is just cool. Nice. All right, we made progress. I'm excited. But end of the stream. What a bloody outline difference makes. Okay, we have also a lot more power. So like if we go config, let preference, and we go back to the 850. Yeah, no, it still pops out. Like that's the bloody difference. There is no more bleeding. Yep, no more bleeding. Cool. All right, end of the stream. It's up. I got the raffle giveaway lamp for Sanji Modern Rapper Festival. I'm happy with that. I'm pleased. And now I need to make a proper video about it. Okay, and then Tuesday is gonna be hectic because then I'm gonna use all the marble pieces I have so far and use them as much as I can. Yeah. Yep. That's gonna be scary. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. All right. See you all next time.